Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how to get rid of ear infection. Ear infections are caused by bacteria or viruses in the middle ear. Ear infections occur more often in children than adults. Some common signs that someone is suffering from an ear infections are pain in the ear, tugging at the ear, difficulty sleeping, headache, poor response to sounds, high fever, fluid draining from the ear, vomiting, diarrhea, and so on. Here are some simple home remedies to get rid of ear infection. Home remedy number 1, garlic and olive oil. Garlic infused olive oil is a good remedy for treating ear infections. Set up a double boiler. Fill 1/4 of a pan with water and put it over the heat. Place the heat resistant bowl into the pan. The bowl should be larger enough so that the water does not get into the bowl. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into the heat resistant bowl. Add 7 or 8 cloves of chopped garlic to it. Turn the heat down and let the mixture cook for about 20 minutes. Remove the oil from heat and let it cool down. Pour the garlic infused oil into a convenient jar. Place 2 drops of the infused oil into both ears every 4 hours with a sterile dropper. You can use warm oil for faster relief. Home remedy number 2, salt compress. Salt compress soothes the inflamed ear and alleviates pain. Heat 3 or 4 tablespoons of sea salt in the microwave for about 3 minutes. Carefully put the hot salt in a thin towel and make a bundle. Secure the bundle with a knot or rubber band. Test the temperature before placing the warm salt pack on your ear to ensure it's not too hot. Use this remedy 2 or 3 times a day or until your earache completely subsides. Home remedy number 3, olive oil. Olive oil can provide great relief from earaches that stem from ear infection. Place some olive oil into the microwave to warm it slightly. Administer 2 or 3 drops of warm olive oil into each ear every 4 to 5 hours. Repeat twice a day to get rid of ear infection. Home remedy number 4, garlic and mullein oil. Garlic and mullein oil are most commonly associated with the treatment of earaches and ear infections. Put 7 or 8 chopped garlic cloves in a microwave safe bowl. Put 2 tablespoons of mullein oil into it. Heat the mixture in a microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. When it's done, let the oil cool down. Pour the oil and garlic into a jar for convenient storage. Use a sterile dropper to place 2 drops of the warm oil into both the ears every 4 hours. Continue the remedy for a few weeks until the symptoms completely subside. Home remedy number 5, rice heating pad. A rice heating pad made with an old socks is another way to soothe earaches due to an ear infection. Heat the rice heating pad in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. Test the temperature before placing it over your ear. You may need to continue this remedy until your ear infection completely goes away. Home remedy number 6, onion. Like garlic, onions contain allicin that is the source of their strong antibiotic properties. This makes them beneficial against minor infections like ear infections. Cut an onion in half. Heat 1/2 in the microwave for 30 seconds. You carefully put the hot onion into a thin towel and make a bundle. Place the onion compress over your ear, making sure that it's bearably hot. Keep it in place until the onion cools down. Repeat 3 or 4 times a day until the symptoms completely subside. These remedies are very effective to get rid of ear infections. So apply these remedies as per set direction to treat ear infections naturally. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.